Hello, I'm Valerio and I am a professional trainer. I train agile and product management classes. And like many other trainers, I want to make sure that we are able to deliver a great experience that every participant can enjoy. So I have created a simple manifesto, training without the spreading. 6 simple rules that we can all implement in our training classes to make sure that everybody can enjoy the training experience and don't be afraid of spreading the virus. Number 1, instead of doing handshakes, we should do elbow bumps. Rule number 2, everybody should have their own personal pack of stickies and Sharpie. Rule number 3, we should have hand sanitizers on all the tables. Okay, rule number 4. If you are sick, you are excused. No need to come to class, we will waive your registration fees, we will work with you to reschedule the class at a later time. Rule number 5. Respect the personal space. No need to get too close to other students, and we will make sure to have rooms that are large, with plenty of space to move around, and with big tables. And finally, rule number 6, this is probably not the right time to have large buffets that we all share, or pizzas that everybody takes the slices with their hands. Probably safer to go with the individual boxes so that everybody has their own lunch. So, train responsibly, training without the spreading. If you like these rules, please share them, post them, add a comment below the video, like them, share with as many people as possible, and thank you for watching.